Welcome to Touring Globe. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started, we've all made those facepalm-worthy travel mistakes. The kind that cost time, money, and peace of mind. The good news? Every mistake is a lesson, and the great news is, you don't have to keep making the same ones. Here's a deep dive into 10 common travel mistakes you really don't want to repeat, and exactly how to avoid them in the future. 1. Overpacking. Carrying your closet on your back. One of the most common mistakes travelers make, especially early on, is overpacking. It's tempting to bring options for every possible scenario, but trust me, you won't wear half of what you pack. And hauling around a 25-kilogram suitcase through cobblestone streets or multiple airport terminals. That's not travel, that's cardio. The problem? Heavier luggage equals more baggage fees. Harder to move around, especially on public transit. You'll likely forget what's at the bottom of your bag. Solution: stick to a capsule wardrobe, neutral colors, interchangeable pieces. Pack for a week. Even if you're traveling longer, you can do laundry. Use packing cubes to stay organized and compress your items. Be honest with yourself. Ditch the just-in-case pile. Pro tip: lay everything out before packing, then remove a third of it. You won't miss it. 2. Ignoring entry requirements. The airport nightmare. Imagine arriving at the airport excited for your international trip, and being denied boarding because you didn't have the right visa or enough passport validity. It's a stomach-dropping feeling, and it's completely avoidable. The problem? Visa rules vary wildly between countries. Some destinations require proof of onward travel or specific vaccinations. Many countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. Solution: use official government or embassy websites to check entry rules. Use tools like IATA's Travel Center for up-to-date visa and health info. Double-check transit, layover rules too. Some countries require visas even if you're not leaving the airport. Pro tip: take photos and digital backups of your passport, visas, and travel documents, just in case. 3. Overplanning your itinerary. No room for magic. It's natural to want to make the most of your trip. But trying to cram every landmark, meal, museum, and photo stop into one schedule can leave you exhausted and frustrated. Plus, it often leads to missing the real heart of a place. The problem? No flexibility for changes, weather, or mood. Rushing through experiences equals less memorable moments. Travel fatigue can set in faster. Solution: plan 1 to 2 major activities per day, max. Leave time for wandering, resting, or following local recommendations. Build in buffer days, especially if you're city hopping. Pro tip: some of the best travel moments come when you don't have a plan. 4. Forgetting about money logistics. Travel costs can spiral fast when you forget about currency exchange rates, ATM fees, or use a credit card that charges 3% on every transaction. The problem? Airport exchanges offer terrible rates. Frequent ATM use equals stacked fees. Some cards get declined abroad due to fraud alerts. Solution: get a no foreign transaction fee credit card, e.g. Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture. Use a debit card that reimburses ATM fees globally, e.g. Charles Schwab. Always choose to be charged in the local currency at ATMs or payment terminals. Carry some emergency cash in USD or euros. Pro tip: keep a mix of payment methods, credit card, debit card, and local cash. 5. Skipping travel insurance. It's not optional. Too many travelers see insurance as a luxury or a maybe. But if you fall ill, break a leg, get your backpack stolen, or have to cancel a trip last minute, travel insurance could save you thousands. The problem? Medical bills abroad can be outrageous. Cancellations, delays, or theft can derail your trip without refund. Some countries now require proof of insurance for entry. Solution: choose a policy that includes medical, trip interruption, theft, and COVID coverage. Compare providers like World Nomads, Safety Wing, or Allianz. Know your deductible and what's excluded. Greater than pro tip: if you travel frequently, look into annual multi-trip plans, they're often cheaper long term. 6. Not packing a power bank or proper chargers. In today's world, your phone is your map, translator, camera, and boarding pass. Letting it die mid-trip is more than annoying, it can be dangerous. The problem: no outlets in airports or trains. Different plug types around the world. Some airlines or accommodations have limited charging options. Solution: bring a portable power bank, at least 10,000 mAh. Carry a universal travel adapter, with USB ports too. Charge devices every night, and carry a short charging cable in your day bag. Pro tip: save battery by switching to airplane mode and dimming your screen during long outings. 7. Assuming you'll have Wi-Fi everywhere. Sure, you can usually find a cafe with Wi-Fi. But relying on internet access for essential apps, like Google Maps, Uber, or translations, can backfire in places with poor connectivity or when you're off-grid. The problem: rural or remote areas may have zero signal. Hotel Wi-Fi can be spotty or slow. Public Wi-Fi isn't always secure. Solution: download offline maps. Google Maps lets you save entire regions. Save boarding passes, hotel reservations, and transit info to your phone. Consider buying a local SIM card or an international eSIM like Airalo or Holafly. Pro tip: use an app like WhatsApp for communication. It works well even with weak signals. 8. Not notifying your bank about travel. There's nothing like getting your card declined while trying to pay for dinner in a new country. If your bank suspects fraud, they might freeze your card without warning. The problem: automated fraud detection blocks international transactions. You may not be able to contact your bank easily from abroad. It can take days to unfreeze a card. Solution: use your bank app or website to set travel alerts. Bring at least 2 cards from different banks. Write down emergency contact numbers for each card, not just in your phone. Pro tip: keep your backup card separate from your wallet in case of theft. 9. Skipping local research. Cultural missteps can be costly. Traveling is more than just sightseeing, it's about respecting and understanding different cultures. Without research, you risk unintentionally offending locals or missing out on amazing experiences. The problem: cultural norms vary. Tipping, greetings, dress codes, gestures. Certain behaviors may be illegal or disrespectful. Some areas have known scams or safety concerns. Solution: learn a few key phrases in the local language. Read up on do's and don'ts for each country. Use Reddit, travel blogs, or YouTube for first-hand insights. Pro tip: locals often appreciate even small efforts to respect their customs. It opens doors and makes travel more meaningful. 10. Chasing cheap over smart. Booking the cheapest flights and accommodations might save you money up front, but they often cost more in stress, time, and quality of experience. The problem: ultra-budget airlines have hidden fees and poor cancellation policies. Cheap accommodations might be far from city centers or in sketchy areas. Bargain tours or transport options may lack safety or reliability. Solution: balance budget with quality. Read recent reviews before booking. Use tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Booking.com filters to compare options. Be willing to pay a little more for safety, comfort, and convenience. Pro tip: a well-located hotel or hostel can save you hours in daily transport costs and offer a more immersive local experience. Travel smarter, not harder. Everyone makes mistakes. That's part of the learning curve. But with a bit of foresight and preparation, you can avoid the most common travel pitfalls and spend more time actually enjoying your trip. If you've made any of these mistakes before, share your stories in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel tips to enhance your journey, check out my other video on how to save money while traveling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.